Let's say you are working on Canva design and you want to bring it to life with a simple animated line. Maybe it's for video intro, a slideshow, or just a fun clip. Good news, this is super easy to do and I will walk you through it step by step like we are doing it together. No confusing text stuff, just you, me, and Canva. First, open Canva. You can start a new design or open a project you already have. While this animation I'm going to use is available for any project, it works best on video projects. So, once your video project is ready, look to the left side of your screen. That's your Tools panel. Click on the Elements tab. You will see a search bar. Type in line or scroll down until you hit lines and shapes. Now, click on the straight line to add it to your canvas. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect yet. Select the line and check out the top toolbar. There is an option called Line Type. Here you will see different styles, straight, elbowed, and curved. For this animation, I will go with straight. If you are feeling bold, you can play with the settings. Make the line thicker, change its color, or turn it into a dashed or dotted style. Canva makes this part fun and visual. You just click and see the changes right away. No need to mess with settings or menus. And here is the part where you do the trick. Canva doesn't animate lines automatically like other apps might. So we will create the illusion of a line growing. So now click on the line and choose the final size and direction you want to have. Then take a look at the toolbar above your design and select animate options. In this section, find wipe animation and select the speed and if the animation is going to show on enter or on exit. If you are using this animation for line, choosing the on enter options mean it looks like the line is expanding. On the other hand, if you choose the animation on exit, then the line is looking like it is shrinking. Click the play button at the top to preview your animation. If it looks jumpy or weird, try adjusting the size of your line or the timing. Once you are happy with it, export it as a video, MP4 or a GIF. A video keeps the animation smoother, but GIF works great if you are putting it on a website or sharing on social media. This simple trick blew my mind the first time I tried it. I used to think Canva couldn't do these kinds of animations. Turns out it can, but only if you know the steps. This isn't just about making a line move. It's about making your designs look more professional with just a tiny bit of effort. So, next time you need to add a little motion to your project, try animating a line. It's like adding a spark to your design. Once you get the hang of this, you can use the same trick for arrows, boxes, or even drawings. Canva gives you the tools, you just need to play with them. Give it a shot and watch your designs come alive.